Hello to everyone who has just joined us. We are at the Monster Trucks races, and one of the main contenders for the win has already started to warm it up. Today you will see the best race between our super monster trucks, but first we need to prepare the racetrack. Let's start with the first obstacle, cones. The participants will have to drive around each cone carefully and make sure they don't pierce their huge tires. Now we need to make the second obstacle, old cars, with our monster trucks need to successfully drive over. There is a huge canyon on our track. Let's build a bridge for our super race. Done! And now, it's time to install the ramp. Another obstacle on our track will be cylinders. Let's set them together. All participants have to be very cautious, because each cylinder is not fixed and may fall on the monster trucks. Therefore, we must be very careful. Let's continue. One ramp for this race will not be enough. Let's set a series of springboards on this stretch of the road. Our track is ready. It's time to start the race. Today you will see the best race between our super monster trucks. And today our race features Police Monster Truck, Batman, Bigfoot, School Bus, and Fire Monster Truck. We invite everyone to watch the start. The monster trucks are ready to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Bigfoot is coming off at the first hurdle. He has pierced a tire. This is a failure. Only 4 contenders for the win left. The race continues. The next in line is a bridge over the canyon. Extra caution is needed here, and everyone copes with this difficult obstacle. And now the springboard. The most important thing here is not to overturn. It's unbelievable, but the police monster truck flips and catches the fire. We urgently need the firefighters here. What a serious fight! Only 3 contenders for the win stayed on the track. There are cylinders ahead in the way, but the school bus has lost control, and one of the cones falls directly on the roof of our monster truck. For him, the race is already over. Who will be the winner of today's race? Batman or Fire Monster Truck? But what I see, Batman behaves dishonestly and constantly runs into the Fire Monster Truck. Before the finish, final springboard is installed. Determine the winner. Unbelievable! Our Fire Monster Truck wins the race! Hello to everyone who has just joined us. We are at the Monster Trucks races. Today, you will see the best race between our super monster trucks. First, let's prepare a monster truck for the race. So, let's begin. In a tubular chassis and leaf spring suspension, we attach wheels with deep treads. 2 front wheels and 2 rear wheels. Done! Now we fix the spring. We will need them to cushion our monster truck while driving off-road. Next, we set the frame, and on top of it we place the body of our monster truck. Inside the body there is a powerful frame. made of metal pipes, which protects the monster truck's driver. And now it's time to install the engine. In the monster truck, the engine is very powerful. Now we set the grille and headlights. Now it's time to work out the design of our monster truck. First, I think the black color fits perfectly. Now we need to attach stickers on our monster truck. A flame will stand out perfectly on a black background. Finally, our monster truck is ready, and it's time to start our super race. And today our race features Bigfoot, Batman, Shark, Cyborg, and Monster. The monster trucks are ready to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Shark is forging ahead. But Cyborg flips and flies out of the race. What a fly! Monster also flies out of the race because of an accident. And is also coming up the track. Who will be the winner of today's race? Shark or Bigfoot? Bigfoot wins the race! Friends, it's time to say goodbye! Like our video and subscribe to our channel, and soon you'll see even more cool races with monster trucks. See you soon! Bye bye!